Hello, welcome back, and today we are at the Riu Hotel in Times Square, New York. So we have a standard king room here. So you have your nice comfy king bed. You've got your storage either side. Lighting in here, plenty of it, it's not a dark room. A little cityscape picture behind of bridge. You get a mini fridge in your room as well, which you can use for your own drinks, and there was water in there when we entered the room. Swing around to the other side, you have your TV up there, plenty to choose from, a very small desk or working area. Two of us in the room. It did feel a little bit of a tight squeeze, but you know, you're in the middle of New York. The location as well is fantastic. I'll go into that in a moment. But as you come back towards the entrance, you've got your aircon here, works very well. Cooling and heating. Nice full-length mirror. And swing around to the bathroom. And you've got a large shower there, and it is a big shower, plenty of space in there. Your vanity, single vanity area with a shelf underneath. Mirrors, tissues, products down here, a couple of glasses, your sockets, hair dryer, and just a standard toilet. It does leak a little bit, so just be careful. Make sure you pop a towel down. I suppose it depends on the room you're in. But opposite you have your closet or wardrobe with they do give a lot of hangers, which is very useful. There is not a lot of storage in this room, so just keep that in mind. You know, there's not really any shelves to put clothes. It's literally the hangers and then your bedside cabinets you can put stuff in. A little bit of space down there, but that's it. But you've got an ironing board. Iron is tucked away in the corner down there, and your safe. And of course, luggage rack, extra pillows up top, a hook for your outdoor coats and jackets. The actual doorway and the shower itself is all glass. You can see very clearly through if you've got all the lights on, so if you prefer a little bit of privacy, just keep that in mind with the person you're sharing with. The door is a slidey door, there's no lock. Again, if it's privacy you are concerned about, then when it's closed, you can see in. You can see through there. I know not everyone likes that. Some people are fine and comfortable. Some people do like a little bit more privacy, so just, yeah, that's to keep in mind. And that's the room. In terms of the view, so a couple of things actually before I talk about the view and where exactly the hotel is. All the hotel rooms seem to have this lower window, which is really nice to let some air in. We're on the 8th floor. This is room 816. Be careful if you do open the window. And the only reason I say this, there's no concern about anyone coming in because you're on the 8th floor. But we did notice when you have that open, you do get bugs in, which I assume is just from the outside patio. Absolutely confident it's not the room, because it's been cleaned very well every day, and it is a clean room. I think it's just where it comes in from the patio, so just keep that in mind if you have that open. Then looking out, I mean, you're in New York, so I think you're pretty much going to get that classic New York view whatever side you're on. Yeah, so this is not a public terrace. This is, I think it's more of an emergency exit. The doors only seem to be emergency exit doors. The downside is you obviously can't see the road. But to give you an idea of where we are, so directly going left to right in front is 8th Avenue, and then going on this corner is 46th Street. Times Square is literally behind this block here in front. And I don't know if you can see, if this helps. If I zoom into that building, you can see the reflections of the signs on the side buildings to give you an idea of how utterly close you are to Times Square. It is a minute walk. You are so close to everything. So as soon as you come out of the hotel, the door's on 46, you can turn left and you go between those buildings and then you're in Times Square. You're in the middle of Times Square as well. So the location is absolutely phenomenal. It really is good. Breakfast is included in the room, and I think Riu hotels seem to generally just have. We were here 4 nights. We paid I can't remember what the room rate was. I'll put it on the screen now for you. As I said, included breakfast, 4 nights. We had breakfast one morning. We were not overly impressed with it. It was very efficient, but it felt like they were just trying to get as many people in as possible. As I said, the hotel's really well located. That's what you're paying for. There is no real personality to the hotel, I've personally felt. There are so many good diners and food options around for breakfast. We were going to Broadway Diner, I think it is, on 9th Avenue. That's only a couple of minutes walk from here. That was a really nice place. But yeah, the hotel here is open for breakfast for non-residents as well, and so it gets busy. Non-residents, they charge $22 each for the buffet, and the quality is average at best. I wouldn't waste your money on the breakfast here. If you have it included, give it a go. As I said, fantastic diners all around. And I'd personally say go and enjoy a New York breakfast elsewhere. Would I recommend? Yes, I would. Again, for the location, outstanding. It's clean. The service has been fine when we've requested it, but the staff don't bother you. They're polite. I probably wouldn't stay here again just because New York has so many options. I'd want to try something else. But that's the only reason. If I saw a good offer, then I'd probably think twice about that. But yeah, no, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this review. Let us know what you think. Thumbs up if you've liked it. Any questions down below. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you then. Bye for now.